Thank you for being a friend. Travel down a road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and take a bow? And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew.
The floor is yours. Well, I tend to dip, the ladies spit, the women fight for my dear life, but I'm the grand master with the free MCs that shut the house for the young ladies. And when you come inside, into the front, you do the freak spank or do the bump. When the sucker MCs try to prove a point, and I'm serious, joint from sun to sun, and from day to day, I sit down and write a brand new rhyme because they say that miracles never cease. I created a devastating masterpiece. I've done it rock the mic till you can't resist. Everybody says it goes like this. When I was going home, hyped and tight to noon, she hard to stop me for an interview. She said she searched, so as the G-search paper, had the pictures on the mic and the turntable. Did young reporter, I did adore. So I rapped her rhyme that she never heard before. She said, damn fly guy, I'm in love with you. The Casanova legend must have been true. I said, by the way, baby, what's your name? Says I go by the name Glorious Lady. You can be my boyfriend, you surely can. I once had this dead little Superman. I said he's a fairy, I do suppose. Flying through the air, red penny host. He may be very sexy or even cute, but he looks like a sucker in a blue red suit. What you need is a man who's got finesse and his whole name across his chest.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down a road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant.